I'm Ro Guenzel with Bluejacket here in Washington, D.C. with craft beer and brewing's tip of the week. So by law in Germany, Weissbier must be made with at least 50% malted wheat. The malted wheat contributes this very soft mouthfeel and this great amount of protein that contributes to the vast amount of haze and this billowy head that will form. To consume Weissbier, you should use the appropriate glass. The glass should accentuate and highlight the billowy foam that occurs from a generous pour. To learn more about wheat and Weissbier, click the link below.